Throughout history, man has faced many challenges, building shelter, finding food, and perhaps most crucially fishing. Yes, fishing, because for some men, if they don't catch that fish, they might just starve, or worse, they might have to eat vegetables. Sure, you could say fishing is about patience, skill, or even bonding with nature. But let's be real, when a man heads out with his rod and reel, he's on a mission. A mission to prove, once again, that he's not just a guy with a freezer full of frozen pizza. No, he's a hunter, a provider. And most importantly, a man who refuses to admit he forgot to pack snacks. Some say the fish in these waters are crafty. They hide beneath the surface, waiting for their moment. For a man, every cast could be his last hope before he resorts to the horror of microwave dinners. But then, a tug, a sign, a chance at survival. For a man, landing that fish means everything. It's more than just food, it's victory. Without it, he'll have no story to tell. No proof that he's the one who brings home dinner. And trust me, no man wants to be the guy who says, "I tried fishing, but all I caught was a cold. A fish on the line." This is it. The battle between man and nature has begun. One wrong move, and it's all over. No dinner, no bragging rights, and worst of all, he'll have to face the cold, hard reality of, dare I say it, ordering takeout. And just like that, it's gone, the dream. The fish, the chance to tell his buddies how he conquered the lake. Now, all that's left is soggy pants, an empty stomach, and the grim realization that he might actually have to cook for himself. But wait, maybe there's still one more fish lurking in the depths. Will he try again? Or will he surrender to frozen waffles and cereal? Only time will tell, because when it comes to fishing, a man's survival hangs by a thread. Or in this case, a fishing line.